welcome back to my channel. It's Julia, aka The Mug Life. Really glad you stopped by my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. So this is the actually first time I've ever done a haul video. So I actually saw a couple of YouTube videos on Hobby Lobby 90% off and I ran. So I went to two Hobby Lobbies close to my house and just wanted to see what they had, see if there was anything I could repurpose, DIY, use in my home decor, just a little bit of everything. So I went and I was very excited at everything I found. So I'll show you the items that I picked up and maybe you can get some of these for yourself. So this first one, I am just going to use it as a decor piece. I just loved it. I have gold accents all throughout my house. So I just thought this would be a great piece just as anywhere decoration in my home. It was originally $7.99 and I paid 79 cents for it. What a steal. And this next one I actually found in the clearance section all the way in the back of my store. It was $7.99 and I paid 39 cents for it. So I am probably going to DIY this one as well. I'm not sure what exactly I'm thinking, but I definitely know I want to redo it. So I couldn't resist 39 cents. This one I absolutely love. Cactus, everything cactus. I actually have cactus in my house. So this one I'm probably going to DIY as well, but I just couldn't resist. It was $9.99 and it was in the 90% off section as well. There were mugs, plates, bowls, all sorts in this pattern, but this is the only piece that was not broken in my store. So that's what I picked up. This one is also going to be a DIY. I loved it. It's super thick wood. It was originally $11.99, and I'm probably going to either sand or see another way of taking the paint off, just because I do love this wood stain and it would be a shame to lose the stain. At my Hobby Lobby, the 4th of July decor is also 90% off. So this one was originally $4.99 and I got it in the 90 section. So I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet, but I am thinking I do want to DIY this one as well. This one is not part of the 90% off, but it was a clearance item. It has some scuffs. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on camera with the light. It says gather, but it won't take much for me to sharpen this up, make it work in my home decor, and I paid $4.49 for it. It was originally $17.99, and I could even turn it around and do a dual purpose DIY on it. So this one I love. I just had to pick up. Now these, I didn't necessarily care what was on them, but if you like the pattern, that would be great too. I picked them up because I knew I could DIY them. I could sand them down, pull these little flowers off. Not quite sure how they're stuck on there right now, but I will be taking these off, so I couldn't resist. They were originally $19.99 and I got them for $1.99. So you got to love that. For wood, great deal. And this is my biggest item that I got. I did get this clock. I'm not quite sure if the mechanism works or not, but I just loved it. Home decor piece that I can use year round, and I just thought it was so cute with the galvanized metal, and it has kind of a rusted edges, and it was super fun and was originally $70.99 and I got it for $7.99. So what a steal. I had to get that one. So that's it for my Hobby Lobby finds that I found. I'm really glad you stopped by. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up or comment, tell me what you loved, or maybe you found some really cool items in your store that I didn't pick up. I would love to hear from you, you name it. I'm also on Instagram, so you can find the link in my description, and also any of my other DIYs that I have, you can share, look them up, and just see how you like my channel. So that's it for today. Thanks guys.